How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to, then forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now, at the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Snapchat and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, close this. Now, launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the app Snapchat. After you find it, open it. Make sure you have enabled all these access for the Snapchat, location, contacts, photos, microphone, camera, and so on. Once you check these settings, head back to the main page of settings. Then scroll all the way up, navigate to the option of General, open this option iPhone Storage. Now find the app Snapchat, then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. If you still encounter the issue, you can completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Snapchat support code SS06. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.